This is the most expensive area in Cape Town, South Africa. It's called Clifton.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, today I want to show you one of the richest neighborhoods in Cape Town, South Africa. That's where I am right now. So if you've been watching the first clip, we were traveling to this place that we are right now. So now we've just arrived at the beach. This is Clifton Beach. So we are at Clifton, guys. So I need to show you the neighborhood and what's happening. So stay tuned. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're going to enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed, if you love the content, you may as well subscribe. My name is Max. I do cooking and lifestyle content. You can see here, this is the way to the beach. This stairs right here. So I've been walking down the stairs, and now I'm here. And this is the beach, guys. This is the beach. Let me take off my sandals because I need to walk in the sand. Wow guys, this place is so beautiful. Where the wealthy people live. Look, these are the houses. These are the houses, guys. Beachfront. They have the beach right on their doorsteps. So these are the houses. How gorgeous is this? Such a beautiful place. And that side, that's where the Camps Bay beach is. That side, and this is Clifton. Guys, you can see here people are taking a walk. It's in the morning. I'm sure they are the residents of this area. Not a resident of this area, and I feel like I'm overdressed, guys. I'm so overdressed because when I left home it was quite chilly. We left early in the morning around 7 o'clock, so it was quite chilly, so I had to wear this top here. It's a warm top, and now it's nice and sunny, and I'm at the beach. I'm wearing my jeans. I feel so overdressed. You can see here people are wearing their bathing suits, and yeah, and some are sunbathing right there. I don't know if you can see them. This is a very cool place. A very cool place for the wealthy, for the rich people. And I'm so blessed to be walking in this area, because I'm sure there are some people out there who wish they could see this beach, but I can still come here. Even though I don't stay in those houses, I can still come here. I can still take a bus and come and see the beach like I did, like what I'm doing right now. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, you may as well subscribe, guys, and remember to share this video with your friends and family. So guys, at the top of these houses, or you can call them apartments, I don't know what can you call this type of houses, guys. At the top of the houses right now, that's where the road is. That's where we came from, so we had to walk down the stairs to the beach. So if I had to choose a beach here in Cape Town where I could go, I would definitely come here. It's so peaceful. There are a few people around, and schools are open. Kids are at school. It's just so quiet. Yeah, you can enjoy a nice peaceful beach like this. Don't you agree, guys? Because sometimes these beaches, especially in summer, right now in summer, it's almost over. Summer is almost over, but right now these beaches can be very, very full. But now schools are closed. It's so quiet and peaceful. Yeah, I'm not saying that a lot of people are bad, but if you know what I mean, I'm sure you understand. If you want some peace and quiet, and just to come here and meditate and enjoy the views and just have a nice peaceful time, I'm sure this is a perfect area to come. This is a perfect area to come. I'll definitely come back. I'll definitely come back to this beach with my bikini, yes, and just with my towel and a book, and enjoy the views. I'll actually sleep here. I can sleep, because honestly, guys, when there are a lot of people at the beach, I see people sleeping on their towels, but I would never. But with this setting where there are less people, I can actually sleep here. It's so peaceful. So it's time for me to go home. It's time for me to go home. Let me run. Run. Where did I leave my bag? Yeah. Okay. So guys, all good things come to an end. It's time for me to go back home where I don't have a beachfront like this. But it is what it is. That's life. Maybe one day, if God is willing, I may, if God is willing, I may stay at a place like this, or maybe have a holiday home like this.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life in its complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going all night, dancing around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment. Yeah.
You see what I mean? This is a lot. Hiking area. There is where we've been. That's the beach. And that's the parking up top right there. So guys, let me repeat this to you again. This is the most expensive area in Cape Town, South Africa. It's called Clifton. Maybe you couldn't hear me when I was at the beach, but I think this is now clear. It's the most expensive area in Cape Town, South Africa. Houses by the beach view, the ocean view, and houses by the mountain. Yeah, that's where the ocean view is, the best ocean view. How good is that? Such a life, the soft life, the softest of lives. So this Clifton neighborhood covers up to the mountain top. If you can see those houses up the mountain, it's all Clifton. So there are houses up the mountain and there are houses down here at the beach. Such a beautiful area. I'm sure the rentals here are very, very expensive, because it's a very expensive area, guys. I'm sure these apartments or these houses, some of them are B&Bs, and they should be very, very expensive. Okay, now we are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for our bus to go back home. Hi guys, so I'm now back in my area where I stay, and I want to show you something. I want to show you these trees right here. These are waterberries. In Zimbabwe we call them, what do we call them? Okay, so in Zimbabwe we call them wute. So if you ever come across this tree, these are berries, guys. All this time I've been living here, I never knew that these things, I can eat those things. They're actually called wute. I don't know if you can see them, but I will try to get some so that I can show you. If not, well, maybe another day. So I'm now on my way home. Yeah, so I'm just going to end this video right here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, if you like the content, you may as well subscribe. Remember to share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.